Did you know that nearly 1/3 of all college students are turning to side hustles to fund their education and living expenses? It's true, and the trend is only accelerating as entrepreneurial tools and digital platforms become more accessible. In this video, we're diving into 10 lucrative side hustles tailored specifically for students. From leveraging your academic prowess in online tutoring to channeling your creativity into freelance graphic design, we'll explore diverse options that promise flexibility and financial freedom. But there's more to it than just making money. These side hustles can enrich your college experience by expanding your network, enhancing your resume, and developing valuable life skills that go beyond the classroom. Stay tuned as we uncover each of these exciting opportunities. Whether you're tech-savvy, creatively inclined, or just love being around pets, there's something here for everyone. Get ready to turn your passions into profits and take control of your financial future. Chapter 1. Online Tutoring. Online tutoring is a fantastic way for students to earn extra cash while also reinforcing their own knowledge. It's simple. If you're good at a subject, you can teach others who might be struggling or who want to enhance their skills. In 2024, the demand for personalized education is soaring, and platforms like tutor.com or Chegg Tutors make it easy to connect with students globally. Now, why consider online tutoring? First, it's incredibly flexible. You can schedule sessions around your classes and personal commitments. Plus, you can often set your own rates, which means you can earn more as you gain experience and credibility. Interestingly, tutors specializing in subjects like calculus or science can charge premium rates. Another big plus is the low startup cost. All you need is a reliable internet connection and a computer. Some tutors enhance their sessions with digital tablets for real-time problem solving, making lessons interactive and engaging. Remember, successful tutors not only understand their subject well but also know how to communicate effectively. They're patient, can explain concepts in multiple ways, and are responsive to their students' learning styles. It's not just about knowing the material, it's about being able to teach it effectively. Chapter 2. Freelance Graphic Designing. For those who are artistically inclined, freelance graphic designing can be a lucrative side hustle. As a student designer in 2024, you can offer your services to businesses, nonprofits, and even your peers who need everything from logo designs to marketing materials. The key to succeeding in freelance graphic design is building a strong portfolio. Start by doing some projects for friends or local organizations. Every piece you create is a potential portfolio item that showcases your skills and style. Websites like Behance or Dribbble are great platforms to display your work and attract clients. What's interesting about freelance graphic design is the diversity of projects you can work on. One day you might be designing a logo, and the next, you could be working on an entire branding package for a startup. This variety keeps the work exciting and diverse. Financially, graphic design can be rewarding, too. Once you establish a reputation, you can command higher fees based on your expertise and the complexity of the project. Additionally, mastering various design software like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator is crucial. These skills are in high demand and can set you apart in the competitive freelance market. Moreover, with the rise of digital marketing, businesses are constantly seeking creative visuals to enhance their online presence. This trend creates a steady demand for skilled designers who can deliver innovative and impactful graphics. Chapter 3. Social Media Management. In the digital age, social media management has become an essential service for businesses of all sizes, creating a golden opportunity for tech-savvy students. As a social media manager, you could handle everything from posting content to engaging with followers and analyzing performance metrics. This role not only pays well but also offers valuable experience in the fast-growing field of digital marketing. What makes this hustle particularly appealing is the chance to work with a variety of brands across different industries. You could be promoting a new coffee shop one day and a high-tech startup the next. This variety helps build a broad skill set that could be beneficial in future careers. Getting started is easier than you might think. Many online courses can teach you the fundamentals of social media marketing, and tools like Hootsuite and Buffer can simplify the management of multiple accounts. To stand out, focus on a niche, like sustainable brands or local businesses, which can help attract specific clients who value specialized expertise. An interesting statistic to note is that, according to industry reports, businesses increasingly recognize the value of social media marketing, with spending expected to grow significantly over the next few years. This trend signals ongoing demand for skilled social media managers. Chapter 4. E-commerce Reselling. E-commerce reselling involves buying products at a lower price and selling them at a higher price through platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Etsy. This can be a highly profitable side hustle, especially if you have a knack for spotting deals or trends that others might miss. One of the biggest advantages of e-commerce reselling is the flexibility it offers. You can start small, perhaps by selling items you no longer need from around your home, and gradually scale up as you understand what sells well and where to source it from. It's also worth noting that success in reselling isn't just about what you sell but how you sell it. Effective marketing and presentation can significantly enhance item appeal and drive sales. For instance, high-quality photos and detailed descriptions can make a big difference in competitive marketplaces. To get started, research is key. Look for a niche with a good balance of demand and low competition. This might be vintage clothing, collectible toys, or even niche electronics. Tools like Google Trends or market research on eBay can provide insights into what's currently popular and potentially profitable. Chapter 5. Content creation, blogging, podcasting, and video making. Content creation is more than just a hobby, it's a platform for expression and, potentially, a significant revenue stream. Whether you choose blogging, podcasting, or video production, the key is to find a niche that resonates with a specific audience and deliver content that adds value to their lives. For students, this side hustle offers a unique opportunity to build a personal brand while exploring topics they're passionate about. It could be fashion, technology, personal development, or even something as niche as daily life as a student. What's fascinating is how platforms like YouTube, Medium, and Spotify support creators with tools to monetize their content through ads, subscriptions, and sponsorships. Starting a blog or podcast requires minimal equipment, often just a computer and a microphone. Video content might need a bit more gear, like a decent camera and editing software, but the investment can pay off significantly. A compelling statistic to note is that video content is expected to make up 82% of all internet traffic by 2022, according to Cisco. Moreover, successful content creators often emphasize the importance of consistency and engagement. Regular posting schedules and interactions with viewers or readers can help build a loyal community, which is invaluable for long-term success. Chapter 6. App development. App development is an excellent way for students with technical skills to break into the technology sector. Developing apps can range from simple utility apps that solve everyday problems to more complex games or business applications. With millions of smartphone users worldwide, the potential market for new apps is huge and continually growing. The best part about app development is the ability to work on projects that you find genuinely interesting and potentially profitable. You might develop an app that helps people manage their time better, connect with others in their community, or even track fitness goals. Each project enhances your coding skills and adds to your portfolio, which is crucial for a career in software development. Getting started in app development might seem daunting, but many resources are available. Platforms like GitHub offer collaborative opportunities to learn from other developers, and tools like Google's Firebase provide a back-end framework that simplifies many development tasks. Financially, app development can be very rewarding. Developers can earn revenue through direct sales, in-app purchases, or advertising. An inspiring example is the success of apps developed by students that have gone on to be acquired by larger companies, turning a simple project into a significant financial windfall. Chapter 7. Photography and videography. Photography and videography are not only popular hobbies but can also be turned into profitable side hustles with the right approach. Whether it's shooting weddings, corporate events, or creating artistic portraits, there's a demand across various niches. For students, this hustle doesn't just pay well, it also builds a valuable skill set and portfolio that can be beneficial for a future career in media or creative arts. The initial investment in a good camera and editing software can be substantial, but renting equipment when starting out is a viable alternative to keep costs down. A fascinating aspect of this field is the potential for passive income through stock photography and videography. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow creators to sell their photos and videos to a global audience, providing earnings every time someone downloads their work. Moreover, with the rise of social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube, there's a growing need for high-quality visual content. This trend has led to an increase in opportunities for photographers and videographers who can produce compelling, shareable content. Chapter 8. Fitness coaching. Fitness coaching is an excellent side hustle for students passionate about health and wellness. With the increasing trend towards healthier living, skilled fitness coaches are in high demand. This side hustle can be conducted online, providing workouts and nutrition advice, or in person, leading classes or individual sessions. What's compelling about online fitness coaching is the scalability. You can reach clients anywhere in the world through platforms like Zoom or even through asynchronous coaching programs. This not only increases your potential market but also allows for a flexible schedule. To be successful, it's crucial to get certified. Certifications not only enhance credibility but also ensure that you are providing safe and effective advice. Once certified, creating personalized workout plans and motivational content can help retain clients and build a strong, loyal customer base. Interestingly, the fitness industry has seen a shift towards more personalized and accessible services, with many people preferring home workouts over traditional gym memberships. This trend provides a unique opportunity for fitness coaches to tailor their offerings and stand out in a crowded market. Chapter 9. Translation Services. For students who are fluent in more than one language, translation services offer a way to capitalize on this valuable skill. The demand for translation is high in various sectors, including legal, medical, technical, and entertainment. This makes it a versatile and potentially lucrative side hustle. Translation can be more than just converting text from one language to another. It also involves cultural nuances and contextual accuracy. This complexity adds value to your services, allowing you to charge premium rates, especially for languages that are in high demand but have fewer speakers. Getting started as a translator is relatively straightforward. Platforms like Upwork or Freelancer connect freelance translators with clients from around the world. Additionally, obtaining a certification from organizations like the American Translators Association can greatly enhance credibility and allow you to command higher fees. One interesting aspect of working in translation is the opportunity for remote work, offering flexibility to fit around your studies and personal life. Moreover, the rise of global commerce and the increasing need for multilingual communication across digital platforms continue to drive demand for translation services. Chapter 10. Pet sitting and dog walking. Pet sitting and dog walking are great side hustles for students who love animals and are looking for a flexible job that provides physical activity and emotional rewards. With many pet owners leading busy lives or traveling, they often need reliable individuals to care for their pets. This side hustle requires little to no startup cost but depends heavily on trust and reliability. Building a good reputation through word of mouth or platforms like Rover or Care.com can help you expand your client base. Additionally, offering additional services such as grooming or basic training can further increase your earnings. An interesting statistic to note is that, according to the American Pet Products Association, Americans spent over $103 billion on their pets in 2020. This demonstrates the substantial market potential for pet-related services. Moreover, pet sitting not only offers a source of income but also provides therapeutic benefits, as spending time with animals is known to reduce stress and increase happiness. This makes it an ideal job for students who might feel overwhelmed by their studies and are looking for a stress-relieving activity.